Hello everyone, I'm making a video on Jonsered is 2094 uh, with some 2095 parts. I have a video of this chainsaw. I've posted a video a long time ago, and it was in an extremely bad state. It was full of dirt, absolutely neglected. It was absolutely disgusting, full of dirt everywhere. And I kind of avoided to start the project, but slowly I've built up the parts, and yeah, I said I'll have it done. It was a full rebuild. What can I say? The piston and cylinder, they were in good condition. Surprisingly, I'll show you the piston that was installed. It is the original one. I just want to show you how. Yeah, so this is the original piston. It's a Male one, but look at the top. I don't know, I have no idea what could have caused that. It's on the inside of the cylinder, on the expansion chamber, so at the top of the cylinder, and nothing on the walls. You can clearly see the piston is still okay. A couple of these are just stains, just marks, not this is not scoring. So definitely something entered, and just to be on a safe side, I've changed it. But this is original, and this can be sand down. Little bit of JB Weld epoxy. Anyway, it's not all the way through, and you can see how clean is the inside. This is a genuine piston, and yeah, okay. I had to replace many parts. The exhaust, let me see, this is the original one, the one I'm taking out now. This is the original exhaust. Yeah, the massive hole here, and it's a little bit beat up, so I've changed it. Still, this one can be used. That side can be welded and still can be used, but I opted for a replacement, which I've obviously used one, but I've cleaned, painted, new double spike, brand new, original, genuine, original part. Starter cover was missing, genuine, original. You can't find this anymore, very hard to find, near enough impossible actually. The insides, so the recoil starter is missing, but I've ordered it. It's very hard to find parts for these saws. This is just for put together, just for video. I can't start it obviously. Brand new flywheel. Just let me spin it around. Oh, yeah, stay. Yeah, brand new top cover. The rear handle and the top handle, they were okay. Chain brake was absolutely destroyed. This bottom piece is broken, so I've fixed it with a piece of conveyor belt rubber, so it's reinforced with some material, some stronger fibers. Yeah, the exhaust is one port support should be okay. Nice massive big spikes. What else can I say? The chain brake, I fully rebuilt it from 395. So the 395 Husqvarna 395 chain brake, the insides and this lever, the brake lever works on Jonsered 2094 2095. It's not gonna work although just straight replacement, because the bolt hole pattern is different, and is not gonna work. Inside, the spring on the 395 is longer. Luckily this one had the spring, only the band was worn, and this was missing. So yeah, it's a very nice chainsaw as it is at the moment. Still little bit some little bit spots of it was full of pitch from conifers, I think. It was very hard to clean anyway, so but it's all done now, so I'm happy with. Obviously the bar is just for the video. This is a 2094 because it has the fixed worm on the crank for the oil pump, and also it has the throttle linkage rather than the throttle cable like 2095. So yeah, I'm sure it will work because I only installed the genuine parts. The switch the switch for this Jonsered is no longer available. I found a switch, I've tried couple of switches. The one installed is this type. This is not Chinese, from Chinese chainsaws or whatever. This is made in Germany, so it should be all good quality. And I had to epoxy this in because the original one was much more shallower. I mean, it was only this much, otherwise it will clash with the linkage on the throttle. So but it doesn't affect in any way. It's on and off. It's not in the way of the choke. You see, it's all okay. I kind of try to, make it still not that bad. If ever I will find a switch, I can take everything out, clean it, and install original. Let's look underneath. It's just a simple design, but most probably works very, very good. It's just a well-proven technology. Look at the intake, is massive. Yeah, so Tillotson carburetor. I've changed the boot. I've changed the fuel line. Checked the impulse line, is still okay. Brand new coil. I don't know, many parts are new on this, and I think 90% of the parts installed they are genuine Jonsered. Decompression, it was kind of broken, so I've fixed it. If it's not gonna work, I know I'll use one for from Husqvarna 3120, because it needs to be long one to reach all the way here. So as it is, I tried it by hand. It has great compression. I'm sure once I have the parts for the starter, because some of the Husqvarna parts they might fit, but I don't have the codes, and I can't just risk it to buy stuff and just to try it out. I have a 395. Where is it? It's here, 395 starter cover, but it doesn't fit. It's the pulley, the starter pulley on the 395 is much bigger. This one is, I believe, the partner pulleys for K650 or P700 or 7000 plus, whatever. I think they'll fit, but just to avoid any inconvenience for myself, because it wasn't an easy build, I've ordered the original genuine parts. Again, it's extremely hard to find. Look at the dogs, proper. Yeah, it has a little bit of case damage here, but this one doesn't do anything, doesn't help you with anything. I haven't done anything about. Yeah, I'm happy that piston and cylinder in good condition, bearings are in good condition. Um, Tried everything, so tried the seals are good, clean everything, and it should be a nice chainsaw. Hopefully in less than 2 weeks we'll have this running. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. If you like what I'm doing, please whatever, comment, leave a comment, or subscribe, or whatever. Ask me anything about about chainsaws. I know a little bit about any chainsaw. Recently I found for steel this limited edition bars for it was limited edition 1926 1996. You can see it says here, yeah. So yeah, and they weigh, so this bar weighs 290 grams. The middle part is just a composite material, and I have a couple others brand new in oh no, this one is just a normal one, but this, so it says here minus 38% weight. So yeah, it's nothing, is paperweight, very light. Comparing with this one, yeah, a little bit weight on. Okay, guys, this is the monster. I'm sure it will be a very good runner. It will pull like crazy. Thank you very much. Take care of yourselves, and please comment or whatever, give a like. Thank you.